Business Academy scam? What I found inside, that's the question I had and the journey I'm about to take you on. I went in skeptical and what I found might surprise you. And here's the kicker. The bonus I'm giving you today, it's the same system that helped me rank on the first page of YouTube and even Google for multiple videos in this niche. If you've been wondering whether affiliate marketing for beginners is even worth it, or if affiliate marketing is legit, it will open your eyes. When I first heard about HBA, my guard went up. I've been in the work from home business space long enough to know that not every offer is what it claims. I'd seen the hype, the screenshots, the so-called proof, and I wasn't buying it. Stop. Think about this for a second. How many times have you clicked on something promising freedom, only to find out it's just another sales pitch? What's the one thing that held you back from starting an online business? Comment down below. Here's the truth no one told me. The people quietly winning online aren't chasing every shiny thing. They're using systems that work for them even if they have to make money online without tech skills. And that's just the front door. Once I stepped inside HBA, I realized it wasn't built like the others. The training wasn't fluff. The tools weren't overcomplicated. The pay plan, that's when the curiosity really clicked in. If you could remove one barrier to starting your work from home business, what would it be? Comment below. I decided to test it like a mechanic checking a used car. I ran the tools, I followed the steps, I even tried it without my usual tech stack. No fancy automations, no paid ads. Picture this, within days I had a working funnel, a clean email follow-up, and a way to execute online business ideas without getting lost in tech. That's when I knew I had to dig deeper. When you hear affiliate marketing, what's the one word that comes to mind? Let's strip this down to the numbers. HBA core product is $25 a month. You keep 80% commissions. That means $20 in your pocket for every active customer month after month. So they stay with you because of the value you give in HBA. And it also feeds starving kids. How cool is that? Now compare this to platforms like ClickFunnels, charging $147 a month for similar tools. Same funnel builder, same hosting, same automation, but you keep more of the money. That's residual income affiliate marketing done right. If you had a mentor-based affiliate system that actually worked, what would you build first? And here's the part most marketers skip. The workflow is built for duplication. When you bring someone in, they get the same tools, the same training, the same chance you had to earn without you holding their hand every step. And there's more of that down below if you just follow and stay with me to the end. That's leverage. That's an affiliate marketing pay plan that rewards you for building something sustainable, not chasing one-time sales and a quick cash grab. From now on, your comment only counts if it includes the secret word from the next video. First half of the clue is freedom. Freedom. Remember that. Write it down if you need to. And here's where it gets real. Remember that bonus I mentioned? It's not theory. It's the exact simple Freedom Warrior system I've been using to lock in first page rankings on YouTube and even Google for competitive make money online searches. No paid ads, no gimmicks, just a repeatable process that works. What's the most you've earned online in a single month, and what did you learn from it? Here it is, the Simple Freedom Warriors bonus. And before I tell you what it is, I'm going to actually show you proof that this actually does what it says it does. What I say it does, okay? So I can claim things all I want, right? But if I don't show it to you, what does it mean? Okay, so I'm going to look for Home Business Academy DFY Marketing System on YouTube. And guess what? The sponsored ad does not count. That's ad. That's people paying money to rank there. Now this is my video, just like I said it was. Make Money Online with JJ. And here's another one by Make Money Online with JJ. And here's another one by Make Money on JJ. That's 4 in the top 6 or 7, right? And another one. And another one. So this, imagine, and here's one for Andrew Guthrie, another team member. But substitute me with you, because it's about what you can do, right? I can do it, but you can do it too. You can do it, and we'll train you, not just you to do it, we'll train your people to do it too. That's duplication, which is one of the hardest things to do. You might succeed, but can you teach other people to succeed? What if you just handed them the login, that told them they're in the program, and they paid you instant commissions, and then a 50% commissions, by the way, and we trained them for you. How cool would that be, right? And you get paid instantly. So that's one term. But I want to go to Home Business Academy on Google. And as you can see, number 1 and number 2 are Instagram posts, okay? And another one, and another one, and another one. That's 5 of the top 6 videos, okay? 6 of the top 8, 7 of the top 9, 8 of the top 11 videos are mine. And there's my YouTube video. And there's another YouTube video. And another 2 Instagram posts, 3 Instagram posts. And just so you see another couple videos, right? It's not fake, right? I'm going to click on, I'll show you my page. I'm going to click on this in Instagram, right? And you should see somebody named JJ Sally, right? Yep, click, close this out. Boom, just like I said. JJ Sally. Okay, so you can do this. This is super important. Now, why HBA works for beginners? We're going to church that, and then I'm going to go on to move on and show you how you can actually make pages. Okay. So there's a video. Whoops. Top videos. We're going to go videos. There's a video. This changes constantly. Okay, but I showed you I was in the top, I think top 2 or 3. Not exactly top 2 on Google and YouTube, but pretty damn important. And I think this is the one where, watch this. I'm going to go to YouTube. Okay, why HBA works for beginners. Now watch how competitive this keyword is, right? And how many views some of these videos have. So we're going to go to YouTube. Okay, and we're going to search up why HBA works for beginners. Now, you can see that's a sponsored ad. Number 1 video is me, Make Money On with JJ. Okay? That means you could actually be getting results. Then the more you do it, the easier it gets. Like a snowball running downhill. It starts as a snowball. By the time it's at the bottom, it can create an avalanche of traffic for you. And this is all not like Facebook or Instagram, where you have to keep posting over and over and over again to get buried, right? No, this is evergreen traffic that can last a lifetime, okay? No, oh yeah, I want to show you the channels, okay? So the 2 first ones are ads. Look at it, no. 998,000 views is the number 2 video. 436,000 views the next video. Okay? Look at what I got before I go back down, because someone has like 15 million. 30 views. But I'm the number 1 video. You know why? Because I have elite SEO. I have elite skills that I've learned. And I'm going to give this to you if you join with me in the $25 program on a silver platter. This will create any business. This will build any business for you. Okay? And more importantly, it will build any business for your people too. You just plug them into this training, you get paid, and I'm giving it to you for free. Now, it's not free for me. I'm paying for this. Okay? I'm going to show you some of the other channels, right? That's a playlist, okay? 169,000 views. Remember, I had, I think, 4 million views. Okay? 136,000 views. 2.6 million views. You get the picture. I think the least one right now is 3,200 views. Okay, 600,000 views, 18,000 views. Here's another video with me from 11 views. Hey, make money on JJ. And again, this isn't about me. You can do this, and you can train your people. How would you like to have a clone army built for you? That'd be pretty cool, right? So that's what it is. It teaches you elite skills. That's the Simple Freedom Warriors bonus, and I'm paying for you out of my own pocket so you can learn the skills that I learned. The skills I wanted to rank on YouTube and Google consistently from day one. The very first video, we have videos teaching you exactly what to do and how to duplicate it real quick the second time. One time work, and then we have a secret way to use the same information and change a few things, right? How powerful is that? This is the same program I've used to generate traffic, leads, and sales, and it's a big part of why my videos keep showing on Google and YouTube. Even Instagram posts. Hey, you saw how many Instagram posts I had, right? You're not just getting the training, you're getting the ranking engine I use myself. Inside, you'll learn how to generate traffic, leads, and sales for any offer, for any business. And while building a team of trained affiliates and earning instant commissions straight to the payment processor of your choice. You want to get paid Facebook Pay. You want to get paid Walmart to Walmart. You want to get paid in Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Cash App, PayPal, Zelle. All those you can get paid on anyone. You want to get paid in gold? You can get paid in gold. What's like a couple flakes maybe? I don't know. 1.4 million views. You get the picture. One had 9 views and one had 30 views. Okay? So you can rank for any keyword at any company, and you and your people can dominate leaderboards. You could take over companies and be the affiliate you've always wanted to be. Or you could keep doing what you're doing right now, but you're struggling. That's why you're looking on YouTube for these terms, right? Because you're struggling, because you're looking for something that works. Sometimes it isn't the program, it's the training you get. Because most mentors, so-called leaders, are teaching you cookie cutter stuff that isn't going to help you. Like, send them to the capture page of the company. So what makes you stand out? No, we don't have that. So why am I doing this? Because I know what it's like to start over. I know what it's like to question if affiliate marketing is legit. I know how it is to have everybody question you. What are you doing online? You trying to make money? Meanwhile, what are they going to do? Work till they're 70, 75? And retire on 40% of what isn't enough now? Meanwhile, the dollar loses 15% value a year. You see how expensive it is to, about 6 months ago to buy eggs? What is it? Like $12 for 18 eggs? Yeah. And I know the right home-based business opportunity can shave years off your learning curve. Discipline is the multiplier. And when you combine it with the right tools, the right training, the right mindset, and a community that actually cares, you stop guessing and start building. If you could make $500 a month in residual income affiliate marketing, what would you do with it? Drop the comment below. Here's the truth no one told me. The people who win in this space aren't the loudest. They're the ones quietly stacking wins month after month because they chose a system that works for them. Whether that is running ads, blogging, or doing affiliate marketing with YouTube. And that's just the front door. Once you're inside, you'll see why I stopped looking for the next thing. What's the biggest myth you've heard about affiliate marketing? And is it true? We're at the moment of truth. If you've ever been burned by a program before, you're rebuilding from scratch, I want to hear your story. Drop it in the comments. What held you back and what it would change if you had a system that actually worked. Tag someone who needs this before the next threshold. This is how you build trust online. If you could ask me one question about Home Business Academy pay plan, what would it be? And here's the part most marketers skip. This isn't about quick wins. It's about choosing an affiliate marketing business model that pays you for years to come. This is JJ Solly, aka John Solly, aka your friendly neighborhood Sollyman, and this is my Home Business Academy review. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.